Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wagwan. I look so busted right now. Excuse me, I apologize. I've been working all day. Okay, so I look kind of crusty, but you guys are used to seeing me crusty. I don't hide anything from y'all. So I just washed my hair for the first in about 2 weeks, which is longer than I normally go without washing my hair, because I have to wash my hair at least once a week. But I have my locks in, so I was feeling kind of lazy. Hold that thought. Alright, so I had to be watching Marla, guys. So she, of course, was doing something she was not supposed to be doing. Anyways, so yeah, I just washed my hair. I'm in my natural glam locks. I'm planning to keep these in for at least three more weeks, maybe. I don't normally keep my styles in that long, but this is my baby right here. This is my baby, guys. Yes. So since my hair is in a protective style right now, I do need to moisturize, and I did something that I feel so bad about. You guys know the Pure Lean shampoo, the one with the egg in it and the shitload of sulfate. I just washed my hair with that because I ran out of shampoo, and that was the only shampoo here. So I feel bad, and right now I'm gonna moisturize though with the Caribbean Natural Braids lock twist thingy. It's the coconut and shea moisturizing lotion, guys. This is a new favorite of mine, and I actually got this on accident. I went in there to get the to re-up on the spray, the anti-age spray for my hair and also for my client's hair, and I found she take down this. I only saw the container and I was like, yeah, I want that one, and she took it down. I didn't even look at it. I just paid for it and left. And then when I got home I realized it was this. But everything happens for a reason, because their hair loves this stuff, so I'm glad I got it, and right now I'm able to use it on mine. So in case you guys are wondering why I'm putting it on my locks, like literally on my locks, that's because where my hair is. The way this goes in, you guys will see in the tutorial, the way this goes in is it's crocheted at the root and your hair is braided over it, in case you guys are wondering. So like right here, that's my hair. So, and it normally is sealed at the ends, but because I know I'm going to be taking this out in a heartbeat, I'm just like, no, I'm not going to seal my ends. Let me just you know, let me just wrap them as is. So I'm just applying some of this to my hair. Yeah, today what I want to do, I'm not doing anything special. I just asked you guys on Snapchat if you wanted me to vlog, and if you guys wanted me to post a video that I've been editing since yesterday, if you guys wanted me to post it tonight. And guys, honestly, I doubt I'm going to end up what do you call that? I doubt I'm going to end up posting that video tonight, but I'm going to try to edit it anyway, so that I can post it tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow will be a good day for YouTube. So right now I'm about to just run some errands really quickly, and pretty much moisturizing this is all I need to do. That's it, guys, and take care of my scalp. That's it. So right now, these are a girl's best friend. I was going to leave my baby hairs, but I'm really not in the mood. I'm not really not in the mood at all right now. So yeah, this is how my hair looks at the root. But let's just see what happens. I might carry this vlog into tomorrow. Let's see. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday. I am getting ready to go to school. Yeah, my locks are looking like they need serious help today, but I guess I'll fix that when I'm getting ready to make the tutorial for you guys. So yeah guys, I'm about to leave out. I was going to walk and vlog, but if anybody in Jamaica has been watching the news lately, they know that's a dumbass idea. It's now, I think, about like after 8, a couple minutes to 9. I have my locks in this little cute half up half down type of thing, which I'll be doing a tutorial on real soon. The hairstyle and this, okay? So yeah guys, stay tuned. When did I get this scratch? What the hell is, I always have random scratches on me. It's so annoying. Anyways, yeah guys, I am about to leave out now, and I'll hit you guys up later. I have a couple errands to run today, as well as class. I have a lecture today. It's only going to be an hour, so I'll try not to get to school too early, but then I have some stuff to query, so I feel like I'm going to do that. So I will check in with you guys in a little bit. I swear my hair needs to be sorted out right now. I don't know why my hair grows so fast, but I'm about to leave. See you guys on the flip side. Good morning, how you doing? It is Wednesday. It's now 11:30 basically. I've been doing little stuff around the house all morning. Yeah, I feel kind of bummed out because I somehow misplaced my ID and my driver's license and I can't find them anywhere, so I'm kind of vexed, you know. Please excuse my hair, I don't know what it's doing and I'm not in the mood. Yes, I'm either gonna end up having to find it or just replace them both, so you know, it's whatever. I'm having a burger and some nuggets for breakfast, and my tea. Like that tea is so good, guys. I have to hurry up and do the review for you guys. But I'm feeling a little tired for some reason, but drinking this tea is definitely going to help me. This is the active tea. The active tea. We're just relaxing. I'm editing a video which has to be up by 1 or 2 today. Hi.
Rich retarded. Vlogmas.
Vlogmas na gan.
Yeah, come back.
Traffic people. I can't make them sweat me. We're on our way to niece's birthday party. Marla, Mar, say hey. Hey. Yeah, guys, we're traffic, low in traffic right now. I'm gone through. Remember them slow movements, man. That's why I'm I hope there's somebody. Don't take two pictures. Up there's someone when we go up the hill. Yeah. Actually, we want to take it at the middle of the road, but that naga can't have it now, like how.
Not all again. Not so done.
Then what if a time that something empty? The highway empty? Yeah, just because of the traffic block. Of course, I'm going to take it. What? I take it there. Just stand up on the side, I guess. So we actually did stop and take the pictures, guys. Vlogging. It's a nice cool evening, guys. Kinda glad for that. So I could see how long we'll take for each Spanish Town. We're going to go get a gift first and then go to the birthday party. So yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know all the love that you've done. It's too late to say sorry now. When I do it, run a long journey, and I still don't know you are my baby. Would you stay true with loyalty? Would you still give me first lady? I want to know. Yes, I know. They tell me baby, would you bounce it? Me check them. But I told them. Just put the ugly face, my Bridget. But I know what it should be. Snapchat, make you shut up, eh? Snapchat, make you shut up. baldy. Alright guys, we just got home. I'm tired. I need to get these lashes off and get some sleep, right? She alright tonight, like she basically sleep like all the way back. So she's not sleepy. Yeah. Anything else you want to say? No? Okay. Yeah guys, this vlog was a bit all over the place, but I hope you guys liked it anyway. So you guys haven't seen Marla in a while, so here she is in her bald head and and she had on this really cute dress. Would have been cool if I could have given you guys like an outfit of the night or an outfit of the day. But guys, how cute is this necklace? Marla, sit back so I can show them, please. Look at this necklace, guys. I ordered it for her on one of them websites. It has her name on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, I'm actually getting ready to order one for myself because I didn't want to order them both because I didn't know how it would come out. Marla, oh my god, fam. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the vlog, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm so tired. Thumbs up the video. Sorry. And hit subscribe, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys like this vlog. You guys don't know all the thing already, drop me a comment down below. Yeah. Bye guys.